So I'd like to talk to you this evening about a really important webinar that's happening tomorrow, Friday the 3rd of December, and that is a webinar on mental health. I'm delighted to be sharing that information here with the Minister for Mental Health. It is part of the Women's Health Taskforce set up by Minister Stephen Donnelly. There have been a series of webinars so far this month, but we're really looking forward to this one that's happening tomorrow. And in light of the fact that we can't meet in person, webinars are our only option. But included in this video, we'll also attach a link at the end so you can register to partake in the conversation tomorrow on mental health. There's going to be 3 topics on it, one being your own mental health, the second piece being on eating disorders, and the third piece being on specialist perinatal mental health services as well. And I'd like to thank the Minister for this really helpful brochure that she has produced, and I'd like to hand over to the Minister maybe to give us her thoughts on those topics.
Okay, so I'd really encourage all women, if they're available tomorrow, to log on to this seminar, because it's really, really important. We've all been really challenged over the last 2 years in relation to our mental health, and it's great that there's a focus on it, and now that we're speaking openly about it. One of the issues I've put a huge focus on is the challenges in relation to eating disorders, and I have funded this year 3 teams, and also supporting the budget for next year there will be a further 3 teams put in place. Also, we will be talking tomorrow about perinatal mental health, and I'm delighted to say that in every single maternity hospital now in Ireland there is access to a perinatal mental health nurse during pregnancy and for the 12 months afterwards. In relation to the leaflet, this leaflet will be circulated to 4,000 schools next week to support young people and adolescents, to signpost them if they need supports with their mental health. You can also download this online, and it's available in both Irish and English.